When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. Whether you're dealing with drafts, high energy bills, or simply looking to upgrade your home's aesthetics, Jennings Window Replacement is the perfect solution. Here's how opting for window replacement with Jennings can help enhance your home's energy efficiency and save you money in the long run. The importance of energy-efficient windows. Windows are an essential part of your home's insulation. They control the amount of heat that enters and leaves your home. Old, worn-out windows can contribute to heat loss during the winter and allow heat to enter during the summer. This results in an overworked HVAC system, higher energy consumption, and ultimately, higher utility bills. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the amount of energy your home requires to stay comfortable. How Jennings Window Replacement works. Jennings Window Replacement offers a range of high-quality, energy-efficient windows designed to keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. These windows are built using the latest technology to minimize heat transfer and maximize insulation. They feature double or triple glazing, which creates a barrier against the outdoor temperature, effectively reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Additionally, these windows are constructed with low E-glass coatings, which reflect heat back into your home during the winter while blocking excessive solar heat in the summer. This dual action helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for constant air conditioning or heating. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits you'll notice after replacing your windows with energy-efficient ones is a reduction in your monthly energy bills. Since your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home, you'll use less energy. Over time, this can add up to significant savings, making the initial investment in window replacement well worth it. Improved comfort. Energy-efficient windows do more than just save you money. They also improve the overall comfort of your home. With old, inefficient windows, you may notice drafts near the windowsill, making certain areas of your home feel colder than others. You might even experience uncomfortable temperature fluctuations throughout the day as the outside weather changes. By choosing Jennings Window Replacement, you can eliminate these issues and enjoy a more consistent, comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction. In addition to enhancing energy efficiency, Jennings energy-efficient windows also help reduce noise from the outside. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a busy road, replacing your windows with high-quality, insulated options can create a quieter living space. The thicker glass and insulating frames provide an effective barrier against external noise, helping you enjoy a more peaceful and tranquil home. Increased home value. Investing in window replacement with Jennings not only boosts your home's energy efficiency but also increases its value. Energy-efficient homes are highly sought after in today's real estate market, as more buyers are looking for properties that offer long-term savings on utility bills. When you replace your old windows with modern, energy-efficient ones, you are likely to see a return on your investment if you decide to sell your home in the future. Environmentally friendly. Choosing energy-efficient windows for your home also has a positive impact on the environment. By reducing the amount of energy your home consumes, you are contributing to a decrease in overall energy demand. This reduction in energy consumption helps to lower your carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. Professional installation for optimal performance. While energy-efficient windows can do wonders for your home's energy efficiency, proper installation is key to ensuring they perform at their best. Jennings Window Replacement offers professional installation services to ensure that every window is fitted perfectly. Poorly installed windows can still lead to air leaks, defeating the purpose of upgrading to energy-efficient models. Jennings' skilled technicians take the time to properly measure, install, and seal each window, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum energy savings. Conclusion: replacing your windows with energy-efficient models from Jennings Window Replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. Not only will it help you save money on your energy bills, but it will also improve your comfort, reduce noise, increase your home's value, and contribute to a healthier environment. If you're ready to boost your home's energy efficiency, consider reaching out to Jennings Window Replacement for a consultation. With their expert installation and top-of-the-line products, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient home for years to come.